Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Is there a free YNAB? Now, I know that YNAB is a great budgeting tool, and it's definitely worth the money. But I also understand that not everyone can afford to pay for a budgeting app. So, I wanted to take some time to answer this question and see if there are any free alternatives out there. Before we get into the free alternatives, let's talk about YNAB itself. YNAB is a budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses. It uses the 50/30/20 method, which means that you should allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. YNAB also has a number of other features that I really like. For example, you can set up budgets for specific categories, and you can track your progress towards your goals. So, now that we know what YNAB is, let's talk about the free alternatives. One of the most popular free alternatives to YNAB is Mint. Mint is a budgeting app that tracks your income and expenses and provides you with insights into your spending habits. It also has a number of other features, such as the ability to create budgets and track your progress towards your goals. Another free alternative to YNAB is Simple Budget. Simple Budget is a very simple and easy-to-use budgeting app. It tracks your income and expenses and provides you with a pie chart of your spending. There are a number of other free budgeting apps available, but these are two of the most popular. So, is there a free YNAB? The answer is yes, but there are some trade-offs. Free budgeting apps typically don't have as many features as paid apps. They also may not be as user-friendly or as well-supported. If you're looking for a free budgeting app, I recommend trying Mint or Simple Budget. However, if you're serious about budgeting, I would recommend investing in YNAB. There are a number of free alternatives to YNAB. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive and powerful budgeting app, I would recommend investing in YNAB. With that said, thanks for watching.